May the 9th, 2016, again, we're at the Crown Pavilion getting ready for our marriage on May the 22nd, Sunday, coming up soon with Maritas, who's my new Philippine wife. And of course, it's all boiled down to this, which is called, read it carefully, Solution God. And it also ties into Solution God in Christ's domain. For these are all the basic information, including a new one called SaviorKeith.com. For I'm inviting the entire world to join our marriage and to cross-promote and support us on our worldwide missions. For indeed, this is another information. These are all the primary websites, including my phone number, for anyone to simply call me, which is include all the national news media, as I've also called for a massive protest demonstration in Washington, D.C. on June the 6th, 2016, at the foot of Abraham Lincoln, where I was at in May of 2014, promoting all of these world-changing solutions, which indeed ended with my visit to Langley Air Force Base in Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia, on September the 25th, 2011, as I was there to debrief them on the world's first anti-crime total methodology and technology, and asking them for safe haven protection from Robert D. Rose, the worst cybercrime terrorist in Atlanta, USA, even international history. For the facts all speak for themselves of why the USA government owes me $500 million in real and punitive damages, the IRS whistleblower, February 2009, case 658, and of course, restore of well over $1 million in real and punitive assets, yes, real assets that were all stolen by Robert Rose, Miss Bashama, the Duncan clan, and of course murdered Brian Walker. So therefore, every single person involved, based upon the PDF file that I'm publishing today on ICI Understand, shows the true reality of your reality and what I have done to save the world by teaching them all how to love and care for each other. Welcome to the Universal Show of BuiltByKeith.com. And of course, here is my new wife.